So, Dr. Manmohan Singh, India's Prime Minister, the former Prime Minister of India, he went to Oxford. He studied in Oxford. Our first Prime Minister went to Cambridge, Nehru. Gandhiji himself studied at University College London. Forget about the Indians in this case. Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, even he went to London for his education. These were the politicians who gained exceptional relevance in 20th century. Now let's talk about scientists of that age. We all know of Oppenheimer today, the brains behind the first atomic bomb. Where did he study? Cambridge. Was he alone? No. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of India's space program, even he went to Cambridge. His mentor and advisor, Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba, the father of India's nuclear program, again, which college? Cambridge. Believe me, the list is endless. Today we see the outcomes and outputs of these people who have achieved incredible professional successes. But once in a while, it makes a lot of sense to analyze what were their foundations. What if Vikram Sarabhai did not go to Cambridge? Would he have cleared the interview that was taken by another Cambridge graduate, Homi Bhabha? Possibly no. What if Gandhi ji and Nehru ji, they did not have that global experience, but Indians back in the age would have listened to them or revered them? Of course, in 21st century, things have dramatically changed, no doubt. Today, many Oxford and Cambridge graduates are finding it incredibly difficult to find jobs in today's economic scenario in the UK. I'm bombarded with many emails and messages on LinkedIn. Especially in 21st century, ilks of Cambridge and Oxford have been replaced by many American institutions. Harvard, Stanford. Why? Because Silicon Valley is no longer in UK. It is in the US. From Uber to Airbnb, from Google to Apple, UK has been replaced by the US. And therefore, it is not a surprise that even the current incumbent Prime Minister of UK, Rishi Sunak, had to attend an American university, Stanford, and experience the American education. Benjamin Netanyahu went to MIT. Shashi Tharoor went to Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy. American. America replaced UK, not just in terms of economic power, but also in terms of its soft power. And that soft power is nurtured via education institutes. The way US replaced UK as a hub for quality education, and now efforts are being made by China to replace the US as that hub. Not sure if that will happen. Hundreds of years ago, similar efforts were being made by luminaries of the Bengal Renaissance. We've already met Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Henry Vivian Derozio. Today's class is dedicated to other heroes of that phase. To begin with, Debendranath Tagore and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. But what was this period of Bengal Renaissance? Was it just confined to Bengal? Or did it extend to any other part of India?